Hi there, this is Katrina from Your AG and welcome to our tutorial. So for today, I will help you integrate our First Data Connect plugin to your WooCommerce site. And before we begin, please have your license key, store ID, and shared secret ready. Okay, so here I already pulled up our support site. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start by installing and activating the plugin. So in your WordPress dashboard, please navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Now at the top, you will see an Upload Plugin button. Just click that and choose the file. And please click Install Now to complete the installation of the plugin. Okay, let's start the activation now. Right, and please enter your license key here so we can complete the activation of the license. All right, so welcome to our setup wizard for our First Data plugin. Now here we can skip this as the setup is really straightforward, so you can just follow through this tutorial. So I will click I don't need help setting up, but if you encounter any issues along the setup or after the setup, you can always go back and use this. All right, so let's click this one for now. So we're back to the dashboard. Now I want you to go to your WooCommerce settings and then payments. Now from the payment method list here, please look for AG First Data so we can finish the setup. All right, now we're already in the plugin settings page. So first, let's go ahead and enable the plugin by ticking this checkbox that says Enable AG First Data Connect Checkout. And then let's go ahead and enter the store ID and the shared secret. Just give me a second here. There you go. Now for the store status, it actually depends on the credentials that you have or that you are using. Since I'm using our test credentials, I will stick with this test environment. Now, if you only have the live store credential for now, you can choose the live store one, okay? So if you're worried that you don't have a test credential, you can always reach out to First Data team or with your account representative to request it. Moving on, we will be selecting the operation mode. We have two types here. First one is sale and the other one is pre-authorization. So for pre-authorization, this will put orders on hold until payment is captured, while the sale one, this will immediately charge the customer. And this is the most used type by most of our customers. So I'm going to stick with sale. And please click the Save Change button. Don't forget that. Now, after setting up the plugin, I want you to log in to your First Data back office with the credentials that was provided to you by the First Data team. Now, once you're logged in, please navigate to Customization and please go to Define the URLs for the integration with your online store. When you click that, it will be prompted next to this page. Now you can see this online store URL settings. Here I want you to make sure that these three check boxes here are ticked, and please leave the URL fields blank as this will be set automatically in the background by our plugin. Now this setting is really important as this will ensure a smooth redirection during the checkout process. That's why I want you to check this part. Now, one last thing before going live is doing some test payment for the payment gateway. So I'm going to show you quickly here and we'll go ahead and create a test order to make sure that we have successfully integrated the plugin on your WooCommerce site. So I already filled this up earlier. So we can continue paying using first data, and I'm gonna be using our MasterCard number. We do have other test cards that you can use, which you can find through our documentation in the website. You can use that. So let's fill out this payment form quickly. Now for the expiration date, you can choose any future dates, any card code or CVV. Let's continue. All right, just a second here. All right, there you go. So we have a successful test order. Now, if you encounter any issue or what if there is an error, you can always talk to our team by filling out the support form on our website. This is it for now. Thank you for watching this tutorial and you have a wonderful day. Bye now.